Welcome to LATAM MedTech Insights. A major regulatory shift in Brazil is sending shockwaves through the industry this week. Brazil's health authority, ANVISA, has just released critical new guidance on the implementation of RDC 751, accelerating its alignment with the European Union's stringent medical device regulation. This is not just a minor update. It represents a fundamental change in how medical devices will be approved and monitored in Latin America's largest market. The new guidance clarifies expectations for technical dossiers, which are now more comprehensive and demanding. Companies can no longer rely on their old registration files. They must now provide more in-depth clinical data, rigorous risk assessments, and detailed usability engineering reports, mirroring EU standards. This change particularly impacts manufacturers of high-risk devices and innovative technologies like software as a medical device, or SAMD. For example, a US-based company with a legacy Class II device previously registered under the old system is now facing a complete resubmission. Their original technical file is now considered inadequate. They must compile a new dossier that meets the enhanced requirements, including post-market surveillance plans that are far more proactive and data-driven. This means they need to invest in local expertise to bridge the gap between their existing documentation and ANVISA's new, stricter expectations. The new guidance also puts a heavy emphasis on the role of the Brazil registration holder, or BRH. The BRH is no longer just a local contact. They are now deeply involved in the quality management and post-market vigilance of the device. This elevates the importance of choosing a local partner who has deep regulatory knowledge and can act as a true extension of the manufacturer's quality team. This move by Brazil signals a broader trend across Latin America. Regulators are raising the bar for market entry, prioritizing patient safety and device efficacy over speed. Companies that are already EU MDR compliant may find the transition easier, but they cannot assume it will be a simple copy and paste process. Brazil has its own specific nuances that require careful navigation. The key takeaway is that the barrier to entry in Brazil has been raised, favoring companies with robust, mature quality systems and a strategic approach to regulatory affairs. For deeper insights on navigating Brazil's new regulatory framework, you can always reach out to the experts by email or by visiting Pure Global.